Hi guys, today we are making potato stuffed rotis. Everybody makes this in their own way, but this is how I do it. To your cake flour, add in salt, a tablespoon of oil for every cup of flour. Mix that in. Add in enough boiling water to make a soft dough. You can boil the potatoes while you're making the roti dough. Once your dough comes together, add in a little bit of margarine and knead that into the dough. Cover the dough and set it aside until you are done with the potatoes. Mash up the boiled potatoes. To some margarine in a pot, add in some Jeera seeds, very finely chopped onion, some crushed chili. To that, add in some mixed masala, some turmeric, and some Dhania and Jeera powder. After this fries for a minute, add in half the mashed potato, followed by some salt to taste, and mix that in. Right. Take it off the heat and add in the remainder of the mashed potato, together with some finely chopped green chillies and some coriander or dhania. Now mix all of this together and then it will be ready to stuff into the rotis. Take a ball of the dough, flatten it out, dip in some flour and flatten this out further. Scoop some of the potato into the middle and close this up. Dip in some flour again and now roll this out. Serve on its own or with any curry of your choice. I hope you do give this a try.